Okay, I am recording the session. Okay, I am recording the session. Yadavji, please, and I request all of you. So please be interactive through the chat, and at any moment, whenever you feel the contents are not okay, or you find some difficulties, so at any moment you can interrupt me. At any moment you can interrupt me, and please not be in hurry, and please be interactive. Please be interactive. Whatever doubts you have, at any moment you can raise through the WhatsApp also and through the chat also. Is that clear? Am I audible to all of you? Are you getting my things or not? All of you are getting my things or not? Okay, okay, fine. So first of all,
Sir. Hello, sir.
I'm starting with what basically a Internet of Things. What are the concepts and architecture? Okay, Raghunath ji is there. Raghunath ji is there.
Sir, I think he has not joined.
Raghunath ji is there. Okay.
I think he has not joined, sir.
Internet of Things start with the IoT. Basically, three alphabets are there. That is the Internet. I for Internet, O for off, and T for things. And we in this session we will start from the very beginning. So first of all, I'm starting with the what basically a ALTTC. It's all about the ALTTC, Advanced Level Telecom Training Center, as everybody knows, and we have the we are Premier Telecom Training Center of BSNL, Government of India, and awarded ITU Center of Excellence in the following three verticals for the cycle 2019 to 2022. That is cyber security, first one. Another one is the Internet of Things, and another one is the wireless broadband. What is NGBN? Can anybody tell through the chat what is NGN? What is NGBN? What is NGBN? Can anybody tell what is NGN? Yeah, next generation broadband network. NGBN is nothing but a next generation broadband network, and basically here next generation means it will be a completely wireless. It will be a completely wireless, and it makes some sense because basically we are moving towards the web 4.0. Slowly, slide by slide, I'm coming to the point by point. Okay, slide by slide, I will come to that point. Why we are saying here the next generation, or what basically a next generation is. Don't be confused with the next generation network, that is basically related to the landline. So here next generation means only simple thing is that in case of NGV, we are moving towards the next generation broadband network, and in case of next generation complete wireless situation will be there. Sir, please don't send HRMS here. Okay, please mail me. Okay, please mail me. I'm sharing my mail ID. Please mail me or WhatsApp me. Okay, please mail me or WhatsApp me your details so that I can enter in the CTMS. So next is this is our vision and mission. ALTTC aspires to be one of the most trusted technological advanced and valued telecom training centers. And we believe in this is our mission. We deliver the excellence through the training, and we believe in the excellence basically. And further I am adding, we want to make the things simple and simple and simple. Okay, this is our aim. So this is about your speaker. I am a learner, not a trainer, basically, and believe in whole life is for learning, and it is our essential or prime duty to upgrade or stay updated in always and whatever be the tough circumstances. That's why otherwise time will obsolete all of us. And learning is a slow process. It is not a rocket science or like a silver bullet that just you fire and everything will be in your mind, or not just like a sponge technology, just put it into the water or some liquid and just you get the entire knowledge. It is not like that. So please be have the patience. Okay, patience, having the patience is also a part of learning basically. So be so always be a good learner. Okay, good learner and good listener. So our agenda in this is what we will discuss. We will discuss the IOP versus IoT. We will discuss the cyber world. We will discuss the evolution in the web. So just now I have already told what about basically a next generation broadband network that is related to the basically web 4.0, and what about the data driven economy, beginning of IoT, from where it originated and who first coined the term IoT, IoT concept and architecture, what basically a concept and architecture is, security in industry 4.0 and the concept of industry 4.0, what are the characteristics of IoT, SDN in IoT, and we will see what are the different communication models available for IoT, what are the different IoT applications, okay, and what are the IoT big data platform. And finally we will see the industry 4.0 at a glance. Otherwise, and in the last of this week I will discuss in detail what basically industry 4.0, and it is the major transform, or we can say revolution in the industry side, and our target to discuss this one also. And before that we require the IoT fundamentals, or what basically IoT is, so that we can understand properly the industry 4.0. And we will finally conclude with the quiz. I will ask some questions so that it will make the proper understanding of the learning, and finally conclude with summary and some motivational thoughts. So we are moving from IOP to IoT basically. What basically IOP is, what basically IOP is, some participant will say who is working in, am I audible or not? Basically some people are saying ke, yeah, some people are saying ke you are not getting the, they are not getting the or my audio. I hope from my side it is
Yes, sir,
okay.
we can hear
All of
you.
you are getting
We
na?
can hear
Vivek ji, you
you.
are getting na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Audio
Okay,
is
fine.
okay.
So we are, yeah.
Yes, sir,
Some
you're
people will
audible.
say if I say IOP, okay, thank you. So some IOP, if I say IOP, some people will imagine, it will be a IO processor, input output processor, because we are very much fond of working in C dot, and we have heard, or we have so much work experience working over the IOP servers basically. So we will say the input output processor. No, it is not like that. Basically it is a internet of people, and we are moving from internet of people to internet of things. What basically internet of people is, it is a today's scenario. Okay, it is a today's scenario. First of all I want to tell you, okay, what basically IOP is. It is a today's scenario in which we are all We all are working over the internet. We all are connected. We all are connected. Entire world is connected with the help of internet. With the help of internet, that is nothing but a internet of people. That is nothing but a internet of peoples. And we are moving internet of peoples to internet of things. We are moving from internet of peoples to internet of things. Now, further, I want to ask you, one thing. What basically a things are? What basically a things are? What basically a things are? People, internet of peoples, it is okay. Peoples, we all humans are there. So what basically a Khushbu ji replied ke smart devices
all
will be
machines,
there.
sir.
Definitely. Any other
Things are
answer? Shiva
things
Kumar
are the
ji,
sir, things are the
All
many
if I
things
am
machines.
saying ke internet of
which
things
we are
are there, so
using
what
in
type of things do you
general life.
imagine? What type of things you say you want to connect over the internet?
Washing machine, microwave, or anything like which I can operate remotely,
Please
so that
be
I need not to be present.
interactive. All electronics, very
We
good.
can operate the fan, anything,
Shashank replied.
AC, and we can
Sensors,
open the
okay.
door.
Things are anything, any devices which can be
Any
connected to
devices.
internet. Okay, Devashish ji, any other? Ramesh ji replied, the things we have around us in our daily life. Okay, sir, some example, can you tell? Some example. Daily object like bulb, okay, AC, okay. Any other? AC, fridge, car, light, bulb, okay. Any other? Thermometer, okay. Like vehicles, locks, okay.
Television.
Things can be respond to communication. Yes, definitely. So many uh, telemedicine, okay. Health devices, oven, okay. Fine. IP cameras, very good, very good. So what basically in a gist I want to say, what you have replied, all of you replied, it is categorized basically into two or three categories. First one is the electronics one, another one is the smart. I want to categorize in the two things. All of you are agree with this one? First one is the electronics device, another one is the smart, that you want to say. All of you agree with this one? So if I am saying okay, what type of things will be there, what type of things will be there, so you are saying electronics, further categorize into the electronics and the smart one. That I can take the gist from your answers. But here little bit different, because all of you are on a wrong path basically, and it is a misconception in the uh, entire world basically. Okay, if you are not aware about the IoT, a lot of people, when you, it is a frequently asked question, okay, what basically things will be inside the IoT. So things means uh, things basically categorize into two part. First one is energized, another one is unenergized. All of you are getting this mind? First one is the things means forget about the camera, oven, all these things. Okay, no need to categorize or no need to go in detail. For the time being, just remember that whenever I'm saying IoT, Internet of Things, first one is the things categorized into the two part basically. It can be energized, another one it can be unenergized. Energized means in case of energized, every electronic devices or the thing that is energized, that will come under the energized portion. Unenergized means it can be anything. It can be your door also, it can be your lock also, or it can be your t-shirt also. Okay, it can be your curtains also, or it can be anything. Okay, it can be anything. So basically what I want to say here, thing means anything. What our aim is, anything can communicate to everything or everything can communicate to anything. That I want to make it very clear. So thing means anything can communicate to everything, everything can communicate to anything. So internet of, we are moving from internet of people to internet of things. So what basically a things means, there is no classification between the peoples. There is no classification. People means peoples, we all are the humans over the internet. So like things also, we cannot classify, we cannot differentiate this thing can be connected, that thing cannot be connected. No, it is not like that. So particular aim is anything can be communicate to everything, everything can communicate to anything. We are building some ecosystem, we are building some system, so over which your entire universe can be connected. Here aim is to connect the entire world. Here my aim is to connect the world. Here my aim is to connect the, here my aim is connect to used to connect the entire universe. So here target is world, here connected, here target is universe. So this is the thing, this is the thing that I want to share. Internet of people to internet of things. Here our target is to connect the world. Yes, we have already connected, and in case of internet of things, we want to connect the universe, and our aim is even your single soil atom can communicate to everything or anything. This is the aim inside the internet of things. Yeah, so have you got this thing is clear or not? Khushbu ji, this thing is clear? Have you got the point that I want to say? The things means you cannot say it will be a smart oven, or it can be a smartphone, or it can be like that, it will be a smart device, a smart wearable device. No, it is not like that. It is already connected to the internet. What you want to connect inside the internet of things? So things means if we want to build some ecosystem basically inside the internet of things, IoT is not like that. You will gather some, you collect some smart sensors, or basically sensors, and you put in the on the Arduino Uno or some processing device, and you gather some information, and some through the actuators and perform the some action like that, and just enough. It is enough. No, it is not like that. Puneet ji is asking how unenergized thing will connect. Puniji, it is basically, for this you have to learn for 1 week basically. This is the theme of this course basically. So within a minute or within a second, it is very difficult to to say the things. Okay. So for this you have to take the patience. Okay, you have to keep the patience, and you have to wait for entire week. So within this week you will learn definitely how the unenergized things will be connected to the internet. But for the time being, just remember that IoT means internet of things. I for internet. Things means anything can communicate to everything, everything can communicate to anything. And what about the O basically? What about the O? O means you can make the analogy with the universe. Okay, O means universe. You want to connect the universe over the internet. Now my question is, further I am asking one thing: which internet? We want to connect the things, we want to connect the things over the internet. So which internet? Same internet or different internet? Can anybody reply? Have you got my question or not?
So the existing internet network.
Same internet. Any other? Ramesh ji saying must be separate. Khushbu ji, what do you mean by the depends? Depends means,
since it is a machine to machine communication, maybe a different internet or a parallel internet for machines separately.
my question is very simple that I want to share. At present I am at IOP, Internet of Peoples, and I want to communicate over, I want to move towards the Internet of Things. Okay, we know what basically a things are, है ना? But what about the internet? We want to move towards the internet. So the basic thing is, which internet? The same internet or different internet?
Same internet, sir.
I think different internet. So it is
Raghunath
same
ji is
internet,
there?
sir, but we will make some
Raghunath
one
ji,
different
Same internet,
IP
sir.
pole.
Same internet.
Same internet.
Same internet, sir.
Sir, it should be
Raghunath
the
ji,
same internet because
Jibin,
if it hello hello
okay,
hello
Okay, I am saying the answer. The answer is okay. Forget about all machine to machine and whatever IPv6. Forget about this. I'm dealing with the very basic things. Okay, we will discuss one by one in the later on sessions. Okay, today I'm going to discuss very basic things. Okay, so answer is the same internet will be used. Same internet will be used. Okay, so at present we are at IOP. We are moving from IOP to IoT. Inside the things we cannot classify some smart devices or some smart devices or some special devices can be connected. No, it is not like that. Things means anything can communicate to everything, everything can communicate to anything. Even your single soil atom should be connected over the internet. That is the aim of internet of things. And my question was which internet will be used. For the time being, just understand that same internet will be used. And here our challenge begins. Okay, here our challenge begins due to the cyber security. So far inside the IOP also we have not built a particular model. We can say it is 100% secure. And you are connecting some sensor based communication, some small device, whether it is energized or non energized over the internet. So definitely your challenge will be a very much bigger and bigger. Okay, this is the thing. Khushbu ji asking that does IoT also include people? Yes, yeah, definitely. Both will be on the same platform. Both will be over the same platform. Answer is both will be the after the successful implementation or fully deployment of. We cannot say IOP is the IoT. It's not like that. We are building some ecosystem basically in which IOP plus IoT will be there. In which IOP plus IoT will be there, and it is the first step, basic building block, or we can say first brick. Okay, first brick of our building. Okay, towards the artificial intelligence. So we are building one ecosystem basically. Ecosystem I'm saying because in ecosystem involvement of everyone will be there. So involvement of everyone will be there. That's why I am telling okay, we are building one ecosystem in which IOP plus IoT will be there. T means things, P for peoples. So we are building some ecosystem in which peoples can talk to things and things can also communicate to people over the internet. That is the basic purpose of that. Smart devices somehow are able to communicate with peoples. Okay, like smart fridge or smart TV or this smartphone, they are already communicating. But only thing is we want to make the things also. Okay, we want everything should be able to communicate over the internet. This is our basic purpose. Am I making some sense? All of you are getting the things that I am telling, or some confusion is there or some doubt is there? Please ask. All of you are getting the thing or not? Shiva Kumar ji, is it okay? Shiva Kumar ji, is it okay? Okay, so far any doubt?
Sir, repeat once again, sir. Sir, एक बार फिर से repeat करिएगा.
So IOP is clear. IoT is clear. So far I have discussed. We are things means it can be anything or it can be everything. We are going to connect. We are going to make some ecosystem in which IOP plus IoT will be there. Same internet will be there. Earlier our task was we are going to connect the entire world. Okay, but in case of IoT, we are going to connect the universe. Basically, we are going to connect the universe. Now, basically, only 1 minute is remaining. I need to reconnect every 40 minutes. I need to reconnect the Zoom system. I feel sorry for that. So I am going to reconnect the system. So please be stay with me. The session will be continued up to the 10. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.